Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet these fingerless gloves. Make a slip knot. Make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make 7 chains. Skip 1 chain. Go to next chain. Insert your hook into this chain. Yarn over, through, yarn over, pull through. Make 1 single crochet. Make 1 single crochet in each chain. Make 1 chain, turn it, go to this chain, into this chain, from back loop. Make 1 single crochet. Stitch from back loop. Make 1 single crochet like this into this chain from back loop. Make 1 single crochet. Make 1 chain, turn it, go to this stitch, take this stitch, 2 yarns on your hook and make 1 single crochet like this. Single crochet. Make a chain, turn it, go into these chains from back loop, stitch from back loop, 1 single crochet in each stitch. Make a chain, turn it, stitch from here, take a stitch on your hook, make 1 single crochet in each stitch and continue. Measure this piece around your wrist. Join 2 sides together from back loops. Take back loops on hook, slip stitch, take these loops and slip stitch. Yarn over, go to this hole, pull through, yarn over, pull through, take this stitch on your hook, yarn over, go to this hole, pull through all of them, make a chain, yarn over, go to this hole, pull through, yarn over, pull through all of them, yarn over, go to next row like this hole, make one cluster stitch, one chain, one cluster stitch, go to next row, this hole, one chain, one cluster stitch, and continue for this row. Go to last hole, one chain, one cluster, a slip stitch, crochet from other side, make a slip knot, take this stitch on your hook, insert your hook into this yarn, make three chains, yarn over, take this yarn on your hook and make one double crochet, yarn over, take this yarn on your hook, make one double crochet, one chain, take this yarn, one double crochet, take this yarn, one double crochet, one chain, one double crochet, one double crochet, one chain, one chain, one double crochet, like this, one double crochet, one chain, one double crochet, go to this first stitch, a slip stitch, make 1 2 3 chains, one double crochet, yarn over, go to this between this stitch, make one double crochet, one chain, one double crochet, a slip stitch, make 1 2 3 chains, go to this stitch, make one double crochet, go to next stitch, make one double crochet, one chain, one double crochet, and continue. After 1 2 3 4 rows, a slip stitch, 1 2 3 chains, one double crochet, go to next stitch, one double crochet, one chain, one double crochet, and continue. Measure on your hand like this. Skip 1 2 3 stitch. In here, go to first stitch, skip this stitch, slip stitch, go to first stitch, 1 2 3, one double crochet, and continue same as before rows, one double crochet, one chain, one double crochet, one double crochet, one chain, one double crochet, one double crochet, one chain, one double crochet. One double crochet, one chain, one double crochet in last stitch, go to this first stitch, slip stitch, 1 2 3 chains, and continue. Continue 4 more rows. In last row, a slip stitch, one chain, make one single crochet in first stitch, yarn over, in this stitch make 1 2 3 double crochet, go to V stitch, make one single crochet, skip this stitch, go to V stitch, make one single crochet, go to this stitch, make 1 2 3 double crochet, go to V stitch, make one single crochet, single crochet, 3 double crochet, single crochet, single crochet, 3 double crochet, single crochet, skip this stitch, go to next V stitch, single crochet, 3 double crochet, single crochet, skip stitch, go to V stitch, one single crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 single crochet, skip this S stitch, go to V stitch, 1 single crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 single crochet, skip this S stitch and slip a stitch.